Hi there everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Your boy's not feeling very well today. I've been struck down by the dreaded man flu. However, the show must go on. To all the family members and subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. You make it all worthwhile, and please keep those comments coming. I was in B&M's yesterday and I found another one of these meals, a vegan meal from a company called Ashoka, and it's a combo meal, and this is Delhi Lentils and Bombay Biryani. Black lentils and kidney beans slowly cooked in tomato, onions and spices, accompanied with a biryani flavoured rice. These are a pound, 1.5 minutes in the microwave, 250 grams, and as I say, they are a pound. So we've got cooked Delhi lentils 60%, onions 3%, red kidney beans 3%, tomato paste 1.7%, cashew, salt, ginger, coriander leaves, garlic paste, spices, cooked Bombay Biryani 40%, basmati rice 12%. The vegetables are potatoes, carrots, green peas, French beans, onions, tomato paste, mint leaves, green chilli paste, spices, turmeric, and your nutritional information is there, should you wish to stop the video and take a look. So yeah, £1 from B&M's. And this is what it looks like, folks. That is the dal lentils with the Bombay Biryani. The last one I had was the spinach and potato, which was very nice. And at a pound, you can't really go wrong, can you? Oh, can you? Let's see. I'll try some of the rice first. There's the rice. As before, the rice is perfectly seasoned, you don't need to add anything. It's cooked perfectly, no complaints at all with that. It's got a nice kick with it. Right, let's try some of the black dal and kidney bean. There that one is. That is really nice. Lovely. It's got a really nice heat to it, a lovely flavour. The kidney beans and lentils are cooked perfectly. The sauce is nice and rich. Again, it's perfectly seasoned and a very tasty little meal. £1. Can't really go wrong at that, can you? 1.5 minutes in the microwave and you're sorted. Ideal for a quick snack. Take it to work if you've got a microwave. like the old days when I used to go to work, and we used to have to we used to put pies in tin foil and then put them on the steam pipes to warm them up. Happy days. Oh look, I've spilt some. What a mess. But there we go. All part of life's rich tapestry. If you see these Ashoka products, they're well worth buying, and at £1 you can't go wrong. There's another one in the set of them which I believe is chickpea. Again, vegan friendly, but I won't be eating that because I don't like chickpeas. Which is quite strange really, considering that I do quite like hummus. So yeah, I'd recommend this to everyone. I would definitely buy it again. 10 out of 10 all day long. Price, quality, in my opinion, you can't go wrong. And if anyone does try them, please let me know what you think. This has got a lovely burn on my man-flute throat. So guys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen. If you have, please hit that like button, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It will cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and will become part of that bigger community. And as always, I will say to you all, Namaste. Have a brilliant Thursday, everyone. Bye for now.